Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can clear your watch history on a Netflix account. So you have a Netflix account, you use that account to watch a lot of TV shows and movies on Netflix. You watch the Netflix originals as well, and now you want to clear your watch history for some reason, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to clear your watch history in your Netflix account. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you want to do is open a Netflix application. Once you open a Netflix application, you land on an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. Once you tap on the profile icon, you land on an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is select the account option. Once you tap on the account option, you will be redirected to a page like this. From here, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom. Then select the profile that you want to clear your history from. Once you tap on the profile, a drop down menu like this will open. Here you will see an option labeled as viewing activity. Tap on the view option besides it. Once you do that, you can see all your watch history here. Now what you want to do is scroll down. Once you scroll down, on the bottom you'll see an option labeled as hide all. So to clear your history, what you have to do is tap on the hide all option. Then a pop-up warning like this will open. Then here what you want to do is tap on yes, hide all my viewing activity option. Once you tap on that option, you'll successfully delete all your watch history from a Netflix account. So that was the simple step in order to delete your watch history in a Netflix account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.